What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Okay, guys, welcome back to another episode on Throttle 3144. So, welcome back, everyone. Or should I say, welcome to chaos because today's adventure starts before even I step out of the hotel. You know how riders usually prep for a ride? They check the tire pressure, fuel, helmet, gloves. But me, I'm standing in the bathroom staring at the tap that refuses to give me water. So, what do? Big brain moment. I grab a bucket, pour in whatever water I have, dunk a heating rod in it, and just wait. I'm just literally watching a bucket of water, just a bucket of water, like it's a Netflix series. Yeah? I'm literally watching a bucket of water like it's a Netflix series.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
And I'm thinking, this, this is how legends are born. Then the hotel guy casually tells me, "Sir, पानी आएगा 30 to 45 minutes के बाद." Excuse me, brother. By the time water comes, I'll either evolve into a desert camel or just cancel the ride. This is how my night ride officially begins. Vroom, 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 vroom. That's not the bike, that's only me. So, helmet on, ignition on, camera rolling in 2.7K at 60 FPS because I thought night ride and night shots would look cool. But the mount is slightly bent. It's tilted like it's kind of practicing yoga.
We do not care.
Instead of a cinematic road view, you're basically watching a tilted version of Guess the Road challenge. But hey, this isn't Christopher Nolan's movie, it's my vlog. You get what you get.
Few moments later.
Now the real entertainment begins. Karur traffic at night. If daytime traffic was a joke, night traffic is the full comedy special. Bikers are on the wrong side, and cars swerving without indicators, scooters with no lights. Basically, it's GTA in real life.
Oh, here we go again.
Now look at this uncle, no helmet. Look at that fellow. He's also not wearing any helmet. So it's like helmetless. Helmets are like mythical creatures here. And I might be a mythical creature because people are looking at me like one. Alright then. So then comes the guy turning without indicators like, bro, are you signaling telepathically? Do I look like Doctor Strange or something? And then someone zooms past me with no headlights. Like literally no lights. Are you Batman, bro? Are you trusting the moonlight? And every turn, every cut feels like I'm 2 seconds away from seeing the GTA wasted screen IRL.
After surviving this chaos, I stop for a pit stop because my camera angle still looks like it's filming the sky more than the road. So I find a little accessory shop. The shop looks at me like another YouTuber, huh? I asked like, "Bhai, इसमें camera सीधे रहेगा क्या?" Something like that because all of them, though it's Tamil Nadu, it's mostly occupied by the northeast. So like, yeah, and he's actually giving me some cables and things so that I can mount it in a better way. So I actually buy a few clamps, adjust the mount, fingers crossed. It kind of looked better for about 5 minutes.
Okay guys, so we have done the job. The job is perfect, and now I think we are good to go. Only thing is we could not able to get that splitter, but once we have get that splitter, the voice will be even more clearer. Okay, so here's the bike, and I'm in the roads of Karur, and we can go now. Woohoo.
Okay, now I'm switched back to the external camera. And here's the thing. Karur isn't just chaos. It's actually famous for textiles, bed sheets, towels, fabrics. A lot of what you find in export markets come from here. Also, there is the Pasupateswara temple, something like that. It's a very big name, Pasupateswara temple. One of the most famous Shiva temples, and nearby Mayanur barrage is also there. It's built on Kaveri River. It's peaceful spot if you're into nature. So Karur is a mix of heritage industries and complete traffic madness. So that was my night ride through Karur. A bathroom comedy show with no water, a bent camera mount which is doing yoga, GTA traffic, helmetless stunts, a pit stop for Jugaad accessories, and finally the city vibe, buzzing, messy, and alive. Not the smoothest vlog, not the perfect shots, but you know what? That's the fun. Imperfect rides always make perfect stories. So if you laughed, if you enjoyed this madness, hit that like button and subscribe because you trust me, there's a lot more road chaos coming your way. Until next time, wear a helmet, ride safe, and enjoy the madness. This is me signing off from Karur. Good night.
Thanks. Love you. Forever.